Here's the thing. You have 2 children to take care of. Do not go banging on that door, like in the television, the 70s series, Baby, I'm Back, and go back to that door acting like you're going to be the father. Because if you go there, what's going to end up happening is Child Protective Services is going to get involved again. And that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Estrada, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision or Deferred Adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Estrada, I'm showing you what's entitled Court's Admonishments. Court's Admonishment and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated robbery? That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty and sentence you up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Estrada, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $2,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to Silver Eagle distributors. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 7 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 220 hours of community service, restitution, no firearm possession, and regular UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Is that in the tap versions and inside or something?
If she had said it, you have to do the tap, yeah.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, at this time, the state introduces State's Exhibit 1 and all of its attachments.
We have reviewed the same and have no objections.
Mr. Estrada, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We would like to proceed today, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
He's been in custody continuously since April of 2021. He's had time to consider the effect of what he is alleged to have committed, and he is ready to move past this and prove to the court he's worthy of the deferred, and we ask you to follow it.
All right. So who is Darnell Ricky to you? Are you related to him at all?
No, ma'am.
Are you related to Andrew Jermaine Estrada?
Yes, ma'am.
What is his relationship to you?
My brother.
So was the beer worth it?
I had no intention of what was going on. I was just in the passenger seat. I really, honestly, I don't.
You want to go to a jury trial?
Says, do you want to try? You have a right to a trial. Do you want a trial, or do you want to accept it? You want to do this today?
The probation.
He wants to waive his right to a trial. He accepts that he could be culpable as a party and is not contesting that allegation.
All right. Where's your mother and father?
My mother is in El Paso, and I don't know my father.
So who is in your life telling you to do the right thing?
My sister.
And how old is she?
She's 30.
And how old are you?
24.
Why are you putting all that extra weight on your sister? Did you not learn to do the right things in school?
I got kicked out of school.
Why?
for fighting
So how far did you go in school?
to the 10th grade.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Oh, getting a job and trying to be there for my children because I have two kids that I lost while being in jail. I lost custody to them, so I'm trying to change
Who has custody of your two children?
my baby mama's sister. And she's in jail too.
Oh, the mother of your children is in jail too?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are these children?
My son's 5, my daughter's 3.
And what's up with all the tattoos? I ask this, people can get as many tattoos as they want. I'm always curious. Like, what was going on in your life where you said, oh, it's a good idea. Let me tattoo my face.
That's when I had lost my kids to CPS. And that's when I got them.
All right. And usually when you lose your children to CPS, it's because you didn't do the service plan. So why did Child Protective Services take the children in the first place?
Because I didn't have a place to stay at the time, and I had my children in different houses, and then I went to jail. Then I picked up the CPS case, and then I went to jail. And then my baby mama, the mother of my children, went to jail as well. So then there was nobody to take care of
All right. And where are you planning on living if you're released?
with my sister.
Does she want you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Do not be bringing trouble to her doorstep. And where's your brother living?
He's in prison.
How long is he in prison for?
He pled to 5 years as the main party in this offense.
Okay. All right. So 7 years deferred adjudication.
Judge, I would ask if you'd consider giving him some relief on the fine. He's not a man of wealth, and he's been in jail for 10 months, and the money he has, he'd like to.
Oh, I rarely, if ever, impose a fine.
Thank you.
There are good reasons, and I've only seen twice where I've imposed a fine, maybe. So there would be a $2,500 fine that would be probated. Is there restitution of Silver Eagle distributors? How much is the alcohol?
I
$24?
believe that the cases of beer were actually
Returned. They were recovered.
Yeah.
So I don't-
Returned, and somebody else, some unsuspecting patron went in there and got beer that somebody was trying to run off with.
At least it wasn't a T-bone steak, Judge.
There we go. And I'm sure that the box was all bent up on the side. So if a female went in there, they would not get that box because it's all beat up, but a guy's just grabbing the. So there's no restitution.
That is correct, Judge.
All right. We're going to do proof of employment within 30 days of release. There should be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. I'll reconsider that once he's done parenting classes.
Yes, Judge.
I'm going to want parenting classes with triple P. There'll be 220 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination with the booster. The court is not requiring that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. The remaining hours will be waived once you completed parenting classes. I'm going to want regular UAs. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want field visits, probation, 3 times per month. Is there anything else he needs, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Oh, all my documents, like my ID.
Oh, I can't get you your identification. You can speak to probation about that.
Okay. No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement. And I'm sorry, there should be an affirmative finding in this also. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we're going to go off the record. Here's the thing. You have 2 children to take care of. Do not go banging on that door, like in the television, the 70s series, Baby, I'm Back, and go back to that door acting like you're going to be the father. Because if you go there, what's going to end up happening is Child Protective Services is going to get involved again. You understand? And don't steal. Good luck.
A 24-year-old father facing a first-degree felony avoids prison by accepting deferred adjudication. The judge questions his past, his children in CPS custody, and his plans to change, then issues strict probation terms, making it clear this is his last chance. Subscribe to Court Orchard for more court videos like this and like this video.